Fefdy.
Utensils used for preparing food.
These are the basic tools and utensils you need. The utensils that I use to prepare food are a measuring cup and spoon, a chef's knife and cutting boards, and a mixing bowl and spatula.
Yes, Mom.
While you use sharp tools in cooking, you need your parents' guidance, okay? And I'm here to assist you.
Thank you so much, Mom. I will learn to cook and make healthy and tasty food for you.
True, Mom. I will reduce eating junk food from now on. I will not waste food on my plate.
That's my children. Utensils used for preparing food, and a mixing bowl and a spatula, the chef's knife and cutting board, measuring
Mom.
cup and spoon, Asahi and Charu, do you remember everything that we learnt about food?
Yes, Mom. We remember everything.
Shall we try recalling it?
Sure, Mom. You can ask questions and we will answer it.
Okay, who's gonna start?
I will start, Mom. At first we saw sources of food. Next,
Wait, Charu. I will tell the next one. It's uses of food.
then we saw about nutrients and their benefits. Next we saw.
Let me help you, Charu. It's healthy food habits.
Then meal time.
And finally, table manners.
Now, shall we try recalling what sources of food are?
We get food from plants. Mom, let me think. Wait. Yeah, I remember. Animals also give us food.
Give me a high five, Charu. Can you tell me what the uses of food are?
Mom, let me tell the benefits. Food gives us energy to work, play, and it strengthens our muscles. It also protects us from illness.
Wow, kiddos! I love and appreciate your curiosity to learn more, and you grasp so well. Good job! Food is necessary as it contains nutrients for our body. Thanks to our magical world, we get food from both plants and animals. By cooking, we make food tasty and healthy. But even with the wide variety of food available today, we must learn to differentiate between healthy and junk food, okay? We should always prefer home cooked food over outside food, and never ever skip your meal times. We should also express our love and care for family and friends by generously sharing food. Share your favorite dishes with others even if they are limited. Extend kindness to those in need of food, showing respect for both the food and the people around us. On the 16th of October every year, we celebrate World Food Day to highlight the global challenge of hunger and malnutrition.